is Raj Jayantilal Jaiswal from the Department of Computer Engineering in R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur. My subject was cloud computing. This is the details of previous video. Now today we gonna start with the new thing, or we can say that same thing or elaborate the same thing, that is the cloud computing and storage. Now you know that very well. Cloud computing and storage is a fast growing industry that is helping to drive our economy forward, but it is revolutionary sustainability game changer. The definition or the defining feature of the cloud is the fact that instead of relying on local server, it uses a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage and process the data. Fast data transfer and real-time information updates are two of the reasons why so many, or we can say we see some number of benefits that we have to move into the cloud. Now, the cloud is a key feature of IT environment sustainability. When we talk about the environment sustainability, or we say that how the environment sustainable in or how environmentally sustainable is cloud computing and storage. We see that, or we talk about that a cloud as a key feature of IT environment and sustainability. The cloud infrastructure addresses two critical elements of green IT approach, that is first is energy efficiency and resource efficiency. Now in one of the case studies in the Google Meet, or we say that in the session, we know that in the green IT, the cloud computing plays the role for environment sustainable. Now, one report by BSR, cloud services make a positive contribution to sustainability. The cloud encourages important clean tech application like smart grid, and it also encourages consumer to use virtual services such as video streaming to replace resource heavy physical product. The cloud also draws resources to where they are used most efficiently, and its job tend to be cleaner and safer than those of more traditional industries. Now, when we talk about the energy efficiency and resource efficiency, number of industries maybe or will go with the cloud computing because they do not need one server or the different server to store the data, and we can also not use different resources for storing the data in our organization. When we go with the cloud computing, or the organization we supported the cloud services or which gives the cloud services, then automatically we can say that we can consume less energy in our organization, and also we do not need more resource for storing the data. Now I am already talking about the saving energy and also money, time, hardware and waste. The cloud save energy and provides more efficient supplier management. Another for cloud green attributes take the form of dematerializing the economy, which involves reducing the number of physical material. The cloud efficiency and scalability help reduce the energy usage and trash. By reducing the need for hardware, company can reduce the cost and eliminate the need of maintenance and upgrades. The cloud offers cheaper running cost and more flexibility for businesses hoping to expand. The cloud is ideal for businesses with time sensitive data, and also cloud also increases the productivity through its ability to accommodate online collaboration, which reduces the face to face meeting. Now in this situation COVID-19, we also doing the online teaching by using some number of tools or number of we can say that software for conducting some number of lectures and number of meetings. Many of the firms interviewed by Verdantix reported cost saving as a primary motivator for adopting the cloud. Now, according to this report by the Carbon Disclosure Project, that is CDP, which titled Cloud Computing the IT Solution for the 21st Century, we say that we can consume more or energy in the data center, and when we use the cloud computing, that energy consumption will be dropped by 31%, and by the 2020 we consume less energy, and also adopting the cloud computing and other virtualized data opinions. Now next is the we can say that take the important part, that is carbon reduction. The cloud reduces the carbon emission through minimize energy requirement. According to this, we can say that Carbon Disclosure Project report, offsite servers have the potential to prevent some number of million metric ton of annual carbon emission by this year. Now, some research which is carried by the Google, they say that the businesses could save around 60 to 85% on their energy cost simply by switching to the cloud facility. The environmental impact of this substantial reduction in energy are significant. We say that with the help of this cloud, again I am already say one more thing, not only we can reduces the cost or money of our organization, we can also use or we can also help to the environment which can be more sustainable. Now some references is there, and thank you so much.